talking points here on the precinct around the political reactions. Joining me now is the Chief Whip of the IFP, Nhlanhla Hadebe. Thank you so much for your time, sir. Quite a lot of talking points. I want to start here. The projections of economic growth by the finance minister, always missed year in and year out. Do you think they are realistic when you look at what is announced today?
Our feeling as the IFP is that this medium budget policy statement was a well-considered medium-term budget policy statement. Balanced, in our view, talks to growth, talks to stability. We feel South Africa is getting there in terms of giving that balance that we've always been looking for. The only thing that we must encourage as the IFP is fiscal discipline. That is the only thing that can take us back as this government. Otherwise, well thought of, well balanced, talks to growth. South Africa needs growth.
So as the GNU partner in this government of national unity, you'll be rallying behind the minister in terms of supporting this mini budget?
Absolutely. We will give him that much needed support as a partner in the government of national unity. We have no other choice. We entered into this government quite aware that there is going to be one or two challenges, but it's work in progress. We are optimistic and we are hopeful that South Africa will get there.
All right, thank you so much, IFP Chief Whip Nhlanhla Hadebe. For more reaction, we cross back.